Hi everyone. We are beginning our work on the Essay 3 assignment, and I'd like to explain some of the details of this assignment. The essay will be an argumentative research paper on the text Between the World and Me by Ta-Nehisi Coates. This means the book will be our primary text, and you will choose a theme present in the book to explore. You will support your argument with evidence from trustworthy outside sources. I've included information about a database called CQ Researcher in the prompt. You can use the same steps to access other databases in the library webpage as well. This is where your work on research papers in English 101A will come in handy. The discovery search on the library main page is also a great place for finding sources. Before the final draft of the essay is due, you will submit your Essay 3 proposal as a discussion assignment. This assignment asks you to explain your topic and present a working thesis. The purpose of this discussion is to get you thinking about the writing assignment early on and to allow an opportunity to workshop your ideas with your peers and instructor. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or visit me during my office hours.